A lot of Mac users worldwide are having trouble updating to macOS Sequoia on their MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, iMac or Mac Studio, and getting errors like unable to check for update, an error occurred preparing the update, update not installed, installation failed to personalize the software update, etc. And it gets stuck on checking, downloading, preparing, or the update doesn't show up at all. And if you're one of them, then let me show you some simple ways to fix these common macOS issues and get your Mac updated to macOS Sequoia. First of all, make sure to connect your Mac to a charger. And you'll also need to have a stable internet connection. And it's also very important that your Mac has enough storage for the update. It's recommended that you have a few gigabytes extra. In your case, if you have followed all of these, but the update doesn't appear in the settings, then you can try updating it from the App Store. Just search for macOS Sequoia, and you should be able to get it from there. If you don't see macOS Sequoia even in the App Store, then check this list to see if your Mac device is compatible with macOS Sequoia. If your Mac is compatible, but you're still having trouble updating to macOS Sequoia, then simply give your Mac a restart and attempt the update once again. Still having issues? Then log out of your Apple ID, and after that, you should be able to update to macOS Sequoia without any issues. For some of you, if the update is stuck at 30 minutes remaining or something similar, just be patient and wait for a few hours or overnight with your Mac plugged in. But before that, check one last thing. Go back to the software update settings. On the software update page, make sure to go to the bottom and under other updates available, tap on more info. If you see that you have other older macOS updates pending, then this may be the culprit. So just update the previous version, and after that, you should be able to install macOS Sequoia. Unfortunately, if none of this helped, then don't lose hope because Apple support has acknowledged this issue and they recommend that you wait for a few days while retrying the update once in a while. And hopefully the update will come through. That's all I have for you. Let us know if this worked, and if this indeed helped, don't forget to drop a like, consider subscribing, and I wish you good luck.